All right, so now that we've shown you how to clean wine out of a mattress, a more extreme stain, we're gonna start with something smaller that we see a lot of times in hotel rooms. So let's get this out of here. Make sure you remove the squeegee from the small extraction nozzle since we're doing upholstery. Only use this if you're using for hard surfaces. Vacuum on, extraction as well, pull the trigger. Now we're gonna move quick, try to cut down our moisture content into the chair itself. So I'm actually gonna let off the trigger, turn the extraction off, and then just turn the vacuum back on. No steam, just vacuum. And we're gonna try to get up as much of that moisture content as we can. Try to cut down our dry time. Try not to oversaturate that pad inside that cushion. Now, another area we see a lot of trouble is pillows, especially these decorative ones that really never probably ever get cleaned. So all you gotta do, the same process, extraction and vacuum on, pull the trigger. And you can see I've got a lot of moisture. This probably isn't necessary for this little pillow. So we're gonna turn it off. And I would just use steam only, which is always live at the trigger. Leave the vacuum on. And this is gonna get rid of any smells, any buildup, any nasty stuff that's in there that we can't see. Now, with chairs or any upholstered surface, again, use your small or large extraction nozzle. Remove the squeegee. If you have the squeegee on, it's not going to create enough connection to the surface and it's not going to be nearly as effective. So make sure you always remove the squeegee unless you're cleaning a hard surface.